JFF President Mike Ricketts has been returned unopposed as a vice president of the Caribbean Football Union. This, of course, follows his recent triumphant and emphatic return for a third term as the JFF president. Now, if there was ever a plan to boot Mike Ricketts and his administration out of office, get over it and do the right thing. Call off the witch hunt, fall in line, and most importantly, support not Mike Ricketts' football, but support Jamaica's football, even as we continue to hold Mr. Ricketts and his administration responsible for all issues in and around the nation's football, especially with the resumption of the crucial World Cup qualifiers. It is much more important now to forget our differences once and for all and support Jamaica's football. So El Presidente, go forth and manage the people's football business. Mr. Ricketts, your turn.